So we need to follow the law of the land, the constitution. We start from there, and if there's something wrong there, get it amended. Fine, I'm not saying it's it can't be changed. Yes, you can change it, but unless we follow the constitution, we talked about it. Musaddiq, it's not the 18th Amendment. This article has been there since the original 1973 Constitution. It's not been changed. There have been 25 amendments in the Constitution. This has not been changed. But on the contrary, the Crown position is such that we're not working on it. So, yes, these problems are there. We need to provide power, electricity at reasonable rates. We won't do that overnight. We can't do that. That's my opinion. A lot of people have other thoughts. And then, there was this plan of just giving a huge subsidy to the power consumers. And the province of Sindh did not sort of participate in it, and we got a lot of flag from the federal government, but then within days they realized that they'd made a mistake. And so that's not the answer. We do need to get the production costs down. We need to reduce our losses. We will not be able to do it in months' time. It will take us years, and these will be hard times that we have to sustain. And we can only do it collectively, and because the people here from the government, from international agencies, from the private sector, what I request is that we need to all work together in order to come out of these problems. And inshallah, we have the will, the government has the will to do it. I saw this. So we have that will, if you want.